When we use mobile phones, we always face these situations. A. When the phone memory is insufficient, you can only delete the chat history to increase the storage space. B. When faced with an emergency, such as a broken screen, but unable to back up data in time. C. Lost all chat records after changing the phone. 83% of users experience data crisis at least once a year. Don't worry, the full platform data manager is in place. MagFone Chats Transfer has 4 functions: transfer, backup, restore and export software data. It can easily and securely transfer all your chat history between iOS devices. Unlike cloud services like iCloud or Google Drive, MagFone Chats Transfer provides local encrypted backups that are secure and always accessible. You can also preview the backed up data at any time and restore it to your device. With MagFone Chats Transfer, you can export chat history to a file that can be saved permanently. MagFone Chats Transfer covers all popular apps such as WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, Kik, Viber, and Line. It also supports multiple data types such as messages, contacts, audio, video, pictures, links, files, emoticons, call logs, locations, etc., ensuring a complete and reliable migration experience. Next, let's follow the actual operation to experience how to use the 4 functions of MagFone Chats Transfer. Function 1. Transfer across devices. Open the software and select the application to transfer data. Connect the phone and trust the device. Click Transfer. Continue. Unlock the device. Start transferring. Click Logged In. Transfer succeed. Function 2. Backup from device. Select Backup. Select the device to be backed up. Start backup. Unlock the device. Backup succeed. Function 3. Restore to device. Select Restore. You can preview the content to be restored. Click Restore to device. Confirm the device, start restore. Continue. Logged in. Restore succeed. Function 4. Export to computer. Select Export. You can select the file to be exported to the local computer. Export to computer. If no file is selected, all files will be exported by default. Start exporting. Export succeed. Next time you change your phone, download MagFone Chats Transfer and let it protect your data.